Welcome, friends, family, and loved ones. We are here today to celebrate as we watch Rachel and Josh join hands in marriage. We're here to laugh with them. Some of us are here to cry with them. Some of us have already started. But most of all, we're here to wish them well as they begin their new life together. To the woman who every day makes my dreams a reality, there are an infinite number of words that describe what I think of when I think of you, but I will try to keep this letter shorter than infinity. You are so wonderful, amazing, beautiful, smart, loving, caring, kind, wonderful, sexy, funny, driven, and completely fantastic.
Good morning, Josh. Happy wedding day. I'm so excited to be marrying you today and to finally call myself your wife. You are easily the most amazing, kind, hilarious, and most compassionate person I've ever met. I can't wait to start this journey together, and I'm already looking forward to the other milestones, like buying a house, getting a dog, and starting a family.
Bring me unbelievable amounts of joy and a feeling of safety and being loved like I never thought was possible. I know for a fact that we belong together, and being with you just feels right. I am so unbelievably happy to spend my life with you, and I am incredibly excited to see where life will take us. Thank you for loving me the way that you do. I love you forever and always, Bubby, and I cannot wait to say I do later today. It will be my favorite and best moment of my life. Forever and ever yours, Josh.
You are my partner in crime, my safe place, my home. Thanks for choosing me and loving me. Here's to forever. Love, your wife.
I promise to never stop dating you and making sure to set aside time where we can watch the latest binge-worthy show or return to a comfort classic we both love. I will continuously support you and be by your side as we grow together and as individuals throughout our lives.
I promise to hear you, see you, and understand you to the best of my ability. I promise to choose you in our life together every day. It is an honor to be your wife. You are my best friend, and I love you so much.
Rachel and Josh, having proclaimed love and commitment to one another in the sight of these witnesses and myself, I am so happy to pronounce you husband and wife. May your first act as married couple be one of love. You may kiss.
A lot of times I've had the opportunity to do things first, like soccer, driving that red Pontiac, going to college, going to grad school. But I think you got me beat here, sis.
Josh, you may not remember this, but we actually had our bachelor party in Charlotte, North Carolina. Honestly, when Rachel asked me to bring everyone back safe and sound, I didn't think it was going to be as hard as it turned out to be. So I'd like to first give a special shout out to Charlotte Police Department. Thank you. If anyone in the audience there, thank you.
I love your wife, Donna, and I. We raised him to be a good man, and I think we succeeded. I give most of the credit to her. She's definitely the strong one in the family. Now I see a grown man who has found the perfect bride to spend the rest of his life with. First time we met Rachel, you could see the chemistry immediately. She's a beautiful person. Josh is so lucky to have her, to have found her.
Josh carried this sense of ease and warmth about him. His laid-back personality seemed to complement my anxious and easily overwhelmed best friend. From the moment I met Josh, I could tell that Rachel had met her soulmate. May you continue to look to each other, complement one another, and create a lifetime of happiness together. Cheers.